Today I will show you how to fix standoff to no sound problem. So you just have to watch and follow this video till the end. You just need to open the settings of your device, click at apps option and search for standoff 2 and click. Scroll down this list, click at storage option, click clear cache now. And back after that, click at force stop, click OK. Go to Play Store or App Store and update Standoff 2. After updating the game, restart your phone and that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe and bye.